Okay, we loaded the 24-foot ladder on the van to take to Vicky so we can get on her roof. That van used to have a 24 and a 20 on this side, a 28 and a 40 on that side, and I use those things all the time. All the time, several times a day, every day of the week. It had 6 ladders on the inside. Yeah, it was a work van for 20 years. But that's not the main reason for this post. I need information on this barbed wire. I don't know if it's true or not. I have heard that there are barbed wire collectors. This back one looks like a full coil. The front one, of course, is a partial coil. These 2 pieces of barbed wire came out. They were leaned up against the oak tree at the old farmhouse on McCreegen Road. Back in the woods. I brought these 2 pieces of barbed wire out of the woods. I had to dig the dirt out from around the bottom. You can probably tell I still got some remnants of it there. Dig these out of the dirt to get that out from the oak tree. And I quit hunting in '96. I must have drug these out of the woods, off of that oak tree in probably about 1990 or so. As far as I know, my father was the last of the McCree boys to be farming on the property. The other brothers were in the Army, in the service. And I don't know if he was the last one to touch this barbed wire. It'd be interesting to know any kind of history or whatever about this barbed wire. I'll try to get a better picture, a close-up picture. Something about the barbs, how they made barbs differently for different times. If anybody would have any information on dating this barbed wire, it would be interesting. Like I say, it came out of the woods off McCreegen Road next to an oak tree that's, I guess, about 4 feet in diameter. Not circumference, but diameter. And it came out of the woods probably, I don't know, maybe in the 80s. So it probably sat in the woods from, I don't know, the 40s, 30s, or earlier. Let me see if I can get a picture.